Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really into making different types of pouch, and I designed a new shape of a pouch that I really fall in love with it. This is this type of froggy pouch. I'm gonna show you that. Hello, this is my new pouch. You can put anything inside of it. You can put your hands-free, AirPod, or your keys or anything else that you want. This is a no-sew crochet project, and this is so easy, trust me. And you can ask me any question in the comments, and I'm sure you know that I will answer. Let's crochet. So this is my 3mm hook. This is green too, and this is the yarn. So first of all, I don't use the magic ring for the most of my projects. So first you need to make one slip knot. If you can make a magic ring, so go on and make it. If you can't, you can use this 2-chain method. So first make one slip knot. Now I want to chain 2, 1 and 2. Then in the first chain I'm gonna do 6 single crochets. So I'm gonna insert my hook inside of the first chain, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's count them together. 1, 2, you see each V shape is 1 single crochet. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I want to do increase. What is increasing? We increase when we do 2 stitches inside of 1 stitch. So under the V shape of the single crochet, and do 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet inside of the same stitch, 2 single crochets. Again, inside of the next one, 1 increase, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 2 single crochets. Again, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 2 single crochets. You need to keep doing this until the end of the round, and you're gonna have 12 single crochets. Don't forget to use a stitch marker. I forgot actually. I'm gonna count the stitches, and then I'm gonna have 12 single crochets. Alright, now I have 12 single crochets. This is the end of the round 2. I want to start the round 3. So this is the next stitch, 1 single crochet as the first stitch of round 3, and I'm gonna use stitch marker. It's green too, thank God. Okay, so I marked it as the first stitch of round 3. Now in the next stitch, as you see in this pattern, I'm gonna do 1 increase, 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. Now again, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. I'm gonna do this 6 times. Again, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. You need to repeat this until the end of the round, and then you will have 18 single crochets. This is the end of the round 3. Now I want to take out the stitch marker to start the round 4. I need 1 single crochet in here and mark it as the first stitch of round 4, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. This is the pattern that we want to repeat. So you need to repeat this, as you see in here, 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 24 single crochets. This is the end of the round 4. Now I have 24 single crochets. I want to take out the stitch marker to start the round 5. On round 5, we are going to do 3 single crochets and then 1 increase. So let's make the first one, 1 single crochet, and mark it as the first stitch of round 5. Now 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, and 1 increase, 1 and 2 inside of the same stitch. We are going to repeat this 6 times until we get 30 stitches. This is the end of the round 5. Now I want to start the round 6. On round 6, we need 2 single crochets, 1, mark it, okay, 1 and 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets inside of 1 stitch, and again 2 single crochets. We're going to repeat this pattern until the end of the round, and then you will have 36 single crochets. This is the end of the round 6. Now I have 36 single crochets. You need to make 7 rounds of 36 single crochets, just single crochets, no increasing, until the end of the round 13, and then I'm going to be here and tell you what to do next. This is the end of the round 13, and I have 36 single crochets. Now I want to start round 14. We need to decrease on this round, so I want to take out the stitch marker. We need 2 single crochets, 1, and mark it, 2. Now I want to decrease. This is how I'm going to decrease. Pull through, and again inside of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops. This was 1 decrease. Now 2 single crochets. I'm going to repeat this 6 times. Again, let me show you. 1, 2 single crochets, and this is going to be a decrease. So 1, again, 2. Make 3 loops and pull through 3 loops. Again, 1 and 2. So we need to repeat this pattern until the end of the round, which means we're going to do it 6 times, and then you will have 30 single crochets. This is the end of the round 14. Now I want to crochet 2 more rounds of 30 single crochets, which means 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. So crochet these 2 rounds, and then I'm going to be here. This is the end of the round 16. Now I want to start the round 17. As you see in the pattern, we want to decrease again. So the first single crochet and mark it. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 decrease. First stitch, second stitch. So repeat this pattern, 3 single crochets and 1 decrease until the end of the round, and then you will have 24 single crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 17. On round 18, we want to crochet the mouth. So I'm going to take out the stitch marker. I'm not going to use it for this round. I want to chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I want to count 10 stitches from here. So this is the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to insert my hook inside of the number 11. So insert your hook under the V shape and make 1 single crochet. Like that. Now we need 13 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until here, which is end of the round. So this is the end of the round 18. Now I want to start the round 19. The first stitch is the first chain. So I'm going to insert my hook inside of the chain and make 1 single crochet as the first stitch of this round. So mark it. We are going to have 10 single crochets on the chain. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, number 10. See? Now we need to make 14 single crochets after the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until the end of the round. This is the end of the round 19. Don't forget to count your stitches. After this round, you must have 24 single crochets. Now I want to start round 20, so take out the stitch marker. We need first 1 single crochet and mark it. Now 1 decrease, and again 1 single crochet. So I'm gonna repeat this pattern as you see down there 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 18 single crochets. This is the end of the round 20. Now I want to start round 21. Take out the stitch marker. I'm gonna crochet the eyes on this round. So for making the eyes, I need to crochet a popcorn stitch, which is really easy, don't worry about that. I'm gonna do 5 double crochets, which I'm gonna tell you now, inside 1 stitch. Okay, so this is the first stitch, and I'm gonna do 5 double crochets. What is a double crochet? I'm gonna tell you. First, you need to yarn over, then insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. This was 1 double crochet. Again, yarn over inside of the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 2 double crochets. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 3 double crochets. Again, number 4, and the last one, number 5. Now we have 5 double crochets inside of 1 stitch. Now I want to take out my hook. You see we have a big loop in here. Find the first double crochet that you made. You can count them from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape on top of the first double crochet. And then I'm going to insert it inside of this big loop. Make it smaller like this. Now I want to pull this loop through the V shape. Like this. Now chain 1. Don't forget to chain 1. So this is 1 popcorn stitch. Now inside of the next stitch, which is here, I'm going to do 1 single crochet. We need 6 single crochets between the 2 eyes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now again, the next eye should be inside of here, so 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take out the hook, find the first double crochet, insert your hook under the V shape, and insert it inside of the loop. Make the loop smaller, pull it through the V shape, and chain 1. This is the next stitch. Now I want to single crochet until the end of the round, which is here. This is the end of the round, right before the eye. Okay, this is the end of the round 21. On this round, we want to decrease again. So we're going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. This is the popcorn stitch, and this is the V shape of the chain after making the popcorn stitch. I'm going to insert my hook behind of the chain and do 1 single crochet and mark it as the first stitch. And now we need 1 decrease, so this is the next stitch. 1 and 2, 1 decrease, again 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, 1 and 2, again 1 single crochet. This is where we should decrease, so I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape behind of the popcorn stitch, 1, and the next stitch, which is here, 2, and 1 decrease. Okay, again 1 single crochet, and 1 decrease. You need to do this until the end of the round, and then you will have 12 single crochets. This is the end of the round 22. Now I want to take out the stitch marker. We don't need it anymore. I'm gonna do 6 decreases. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, after that, we are going to have a gap inside of here. I'm gonna find the front stitch. You say this is the stitch, then my hook is inside of it. This is the front stitch. I'm gonna insert my hook inside of the front stitch and do 1 slip stitch. See? Now I want to chain. I'm gonna do 35 chains, but if you want to, you can do more chains to make the strap longer. So now I want to do 35 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, after the chains, I want to insert my hook inside of any stitch and then grab the yarn and pull through, then again pull through to make 1 slip stitch. Now I want to pull it. Now you can cut the yarn. Okay, now I want to hide the tail, so I'm gonna insert the tail from here, like this. Now again, take it out from there. And again, insert it from here. Now you can cut the tail. Now I want to crochet the little spot on the body. This part is optional. You can just finish the crocheting here, or you can crochet the white spot. To crochet the white spot, you can see the pattern in here. You see we had a magic ring or the 2 chains method. This is 6 single crochets, then 12, 18, and 24. So you can crochet it. Then you need 1 slip stitch in the end of that, and I used glue gun and stick this part to the body. Okay, so this is the white spot, and I'm using 8mm eyes. I'm gonna use glue gun and stick them right here. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future videos. See you guys!